संक्षेप में रॉकेट की उड़ान रोकने का कारण बताएंगे।
We would like to briefly inform you about the reason for the hold and the rescheduling of the takeoff after 1 hour 59 minutes from the earlier scheduled time. As we have already described, all the launch activities are controlled by the ALS from T-12 minutes onwards. ALS means the Automatic Launch Sequence Program. Hundreds of vehicle parameters are automatically checked by the computer for their acceptability, correctness. Earlier, the computer found that one of the parameters connected with the closure time of a vent valve was not within the specified bound. The computer automatically placed the launch on hold. Now the situation is comprehensively analyzed by the experts and the launch is resumed. The liftoff will be at 6:20